Overcome with grief. This was once Asia Banu's home. Now, a pile of broken dreams. 3 months ago, police accuse her husband and 10 others, all Muslim, of having beef, prohibited in most Indian states. The next morning, authorities bulldozed their homes, claiming they were illegal, built on public land.
What pains me the most is that I lost my daughter too.
16-year-old Zenith died of pneumonia just weeks after their home was demolished. After their house was broken down, they were reduced to sleeping in here. They would cook food over on this side. They would sleep on this side. And when it rained and there was too much water coming in, they would go and find shelter somewhere else.
They already took my husband to jail. Why did they have to break my home? If they hadn't, my daughter would be alive.
Convinced Zenith died because she had no protection from the monsoons. Not a one-off. Recently, there's been a rise in demolitions. Critics say without prior notice and often targeting Muslims.
None of the due process is actually followed, which is why the Supreme Court has taken an interest in this. There is a system that the government must follow. There is a due process which it doesn't actually respect. They go about razing people's homes for no reason other than the fact that these people are Muslim.
The government did not reply to our requests for comment, but has consistently rejected accusations it targets Muslims.
Show me one Muslim who can say I was innocent and has been a victim of injustice. Show me one. Nobody can say this.
This social media video went viral last year. Muslim boys allegedly spitting on a Hindu procession. 2 days later, an announcement for the neighborhood. The police will use the harshest punishment against them. Their home reduced to rubble. Their father bewildered.
They put up a notice saying the building is structurally unsafe and will be demolished. Take what you can, you have an hour.
His son's merely accused of a crime, but the entire family pays the price. It's why the Supreme Court is now stepping in to issue guidelines for the entire country to follow. Samira Hussain, BBC News, Madhya Pradesh.